This was an awesome and very unique to PR experience. I had a blast embracing the mud and becoming one with nature. Thank you, Fabian, for being an amazing guide. I will return and hope to see you in the near future, mi amigo. Join an unforgettable adventure to El Yunque Rainforest with expert guides on this award-winning day trip. The experience begins with a 30-minute nature hike to the first waterfall, where you can enjoy swimming in 2 waterfalls, exploring watering holes, sliding down a natural waterslide, and rope swinging. For the more adventurous, there are multiple cliff jumping spots as well. During the tour, learn about the rainforest's history, unique wildlife like iguanas, and see 100-year-old trees and bamboo groves. End your day with a delicious meal at a local family-owned restaurant, optional. Be prepared to get muddy during the hike, and swimwear and a change of clothes are recommended.